Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the issue where your tablet is not responding to touch. So of course, if you have a tablet, the brand doesn't matter. And of course, you're not getting a touch response. Simply go ahead and follow this tutorial and I'll show you to fix the touch response issue. Now, of course, if your tablet doesn't give you any response, the first thing you want to do is as follows. Go ahead and locate your power and of course your volume button. So I'll have to show you on this. Forgive me, I'm doing this with just one hand. So you're gonna go ahead, it doesn't matter if the screen is on in terms of if the device goes to sleep. So you're gonna find your power button and your volume down button. Then you're gonna press both power and volume down at the same time. So forgive me again, I'm doing this with just one hand. So you're gonna press power and volume down. Simply press and hold. The device will go blank. As seen there in the background. Keep holding. Then of course you can let go. After a while the display is black and simply press power. Then the device will come back on. Now what I've just done is a power cycle, or in other words, I've force restarted the device. Now in some cases it's a case where the operating system has become inactive or frozen, and as a result of bloatware, or of course it might be a case where there's too much apps. So of course doing this should give the system a refresh. All right, from here go ahead and unlock the device. You can enter your password. All right, so this one is starting up. All right, from here the tablet should be responsive once more. Now if the tablet is responsive once again, you can go ahead and do as indicated here, and what you're going to do is you're going to start cleaning up your device. Go ahead and check apps. If you have a bunch of, for example, games, too much where the storage is full, I suggest that you remove anything that's wasting space. So remove every additional app and make sure you have at least 25% free space on your device. You can easily check the storage of your device by going to settings, storage. Here we are in the settings menu. So I can go to storage. And here, as you can see, I can tell that I have, after a while, you notice it takes a little while to come. I have 27 gigabytes used, and I have a total of free of 4.9 gigabyte. You can see the total storage here. So if I continue to simply add stuff, you'll realize that 25% will be exceeded. You can estimate half, then another half. So I'm actually here kind of using a little bit too much. So go ahead and use, like, for example, you could go to free up space. All right, and of course this is the file manager that's built in, and of course this should be the Google file manager. So I can hit clean. So it says clear temporary files, so I can clear. So it says junk files cleared. All right, so it has freed up a little space. If you don't have that particular app, you can download this one that's called CC Cleaner. It will do a similar thing and run it. It will do its thing. Do note, I'm not really endorsing it. I just went to the store, the Play Store, and search for a cleaner. You can do your own search for your own cleaners. All right, so what I can do as well, let's say for example, I'm looking at these apps here and I'm going to look for anything that's unnecessary. Let's say for example this app was not needed. I'm going to go to uninstall it. So here you see the option to uninstall. I'm going to uninstall this particular one to free up space. There you go, and I'll free up space again. I could go to gallery, which is your photos or photo app, whatever it's called on your device, doesn't matter the brand. And I can go into my galleries app and I can delete anything that's unnecessary. So simply audit every app and delete photos or anything that's just consuming space. That will do wonders for the speed of the device. Also, if any software updates, they tend to help. So go ahead and update your software as well. It should give you the latest software that's much snappier. And also, if you can, in your apps, go ahead and switch to the light versions. So if you have TikTok, switch to TikTok Lite. If you have YouTube, try to use as much light apps as possible. If a light version is available, it will use less resources. And keep your games to a minimum. They do consume a lot of space. If you do all those, it should free up your device speed, and you should find that your device is again responding. All right, so I do hope this was useful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.